Hello, and welcome to our SkillsEngine tutorial on starting and sharing a feedback session. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to initiate a feedback session and share it with others for review. First, open the profile for which you want to start a feedback session. Click on the Feedback tab at the top of the page. Then click Start New Session. A confirmation message will appear notifying you that once the session starts, you will not be able to edit the profile until you have ended it. Click Start to proceed. After starting the session, you will see this Share Link button. Click on it to copy the link to the review and then share it with the individuals who you want to have participate in the feedback session. When participants receive the link, they will be directed to the feedback session page. They will need to fill in their first name, last name, company name, zip code, and relationship to the profile. After providing this information, they can begin the review. Participants can either start at the beginning and review all of the skills, or jump between skill sets as desired. For each skill, they will rate its importance as critical, important, beneficial, or irrelevant within the context of the profile. They can also skip any skills they do not wish to rate. Once participants have completed their review, they will click the Submit Feedback button at the top right corner of the page. They will then have the opportunity to leave a comment before finalizing their submission. That's it. You've successfully started and shared a feedback session. Remember, you can monitor the progress of the session and view the feedback in real time from the Feedback tab. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.